Realme GT 7 Pro is now selling globally, for weeks after its unveiling in China. The smartphone comes with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, top-tier cameras, underwater camera capabilities, and a huge battery. 5,800 mAh in India and 6,500 mAh everywhere else. We have had the opportunity to review the global version of the Realme GT 7 Pro, and we were truly impressed by the progress made over the GT 5 Pro. This phone boasts an IP69 rating, exceptional battery life, and an impressively bright display. The GT 7 Pro features Realme UI 5.0 built on Android 15 and boasts numerous AI capabilities. It is the first in its series to offer 360-degree NFC for contactless payments, a feature seldom found in contemporary Android flagship devices. The 12/256GB model is available on Amazon Germany for over €1,000, but is 20% cheaper as a Black Friday deal and goes down to €805. The variant with the smaller battery on Amazon India is even cheaper, 59,999 Indian rupees, which translates to about €670.